Okay, hi everyone. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to operate FlipGrid. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up a FlipGrid account at flipgrid.com, and it's all free. Do not pay anything to set up your FlipGrid account. So I'm excited about FlipGrid. Honestly, this is the first semester I've used it, so I'm trying it out with us during our summer session. And FlipGrid is exciting to me because it gives us a chance to connect face-to-face, even though we're online. One of the complaints of students as far as online classes go is that it just doesn't feel the same as the classroom. And right now with pandemic situations, there are lots of great reasons for not being in the classroom. So this kind of gives us a chance to bridge that gap. And I hope that you guys will like it. I'll be asking your opinions about it throughout the summer session. So once you get your FlipGrid account set up, I will share with you a link or a QR code, AR code, whatever it is, a scan code that you can access the question that we have from. So this first question, and not all of our discussions are going to be through FlipGrid, just a few. But our first one is an introduction. And so you can see I'm on the FlipGrid page. To record my response, I'm just going to simply click record a response. Boom, right here. And you see my really bad hair because it's humid outside, and I've got to do something with this before graduation tonight. So anyway, you have some options here. Here's your big record button. We're not going to push it yet. You have some options here. If you want to add text, you can. Where did I see that? Oh, that's under effects. Okay, so you can upload a clip. You can use the microphone only, but for now, please use microphone and video. You can record your screen if you wanted to. Don't know why you'd want to, but you can if you want. And you can change some of your device settings here. So click out of there. You probably won't use options very much. Effects you might like. This is where you can add text. You can add ink. You can change it to a whiteboard and draw on it if you need to. You can add stickers, which are my favorite. Number one. Yeah, there we go. And you can drag it wherever you want it. You can clear it. You can undo it. You can add text like, I know my name is kind of odd, so I could show you guys my name, my preferred name, and I could tell you that it sounds like Donna, which would keep people from calling me Ramona or Rhonda or something like that. Then after I click out of it, I can move it around wherever I want. So I'll leave that there, and I'm going to close out. You can also change the background color, as you saw. So in order to record, you just push this button. You get a countdown, and now you can just record. So in response to our question, my name is Ronna Pennington. I have a Master of Liberal Arts in History. I have a Master of Fine Arts in English. My bachelor's degree is in Mass Media Communications. I've been at ASUTR full-time since 2017 and teaching full-time since 2019. Before that, I taught as an adjunct instructor for oral communications and for history classes. So I love history, I love research, and I also love oral comm. It was the first thing I did. Anyway, as far as my plans after ASUTR, hopefully that's retirement. So that's in about 10 years, I suppose, unless I win the lottery first, and then, all bets are off. Okay, so I'm going to stop this recording now. I'm going to click next, countdown, and now you can just record. So in response to our question, you can see Pennington that I could edit here if I wanted to. Of Liberal Arts and History. I could go back to here. This is where I start talking when I'm recording. Countdown, and now you can just record. So in response, so I could say, in response to our, could start it there, in response to our, okay? Ugh, that's a lovely picture, isn't it? Anyway, but there's my display name. I could put a note if I needed to, or another link if I needed to. Don't really need to do that. Tag if I wanted. I'm just going to click submit. And so now it's uploading my video, and this is the video that you guys will see when you log in to upload yours. If you have any questions or problems with FlipGrid through the semester, please let me know. I want to help you address it early on so we can use it to its fullest ability. And by the way, you have about 3 minutes on your first FlipGrid. Okay, that should do it.